What's up with my people, man? You know, it's your boy Ro back at you, man. We coming at you with another quick vlog right quick. We getting something done to the 300, you know what I mean? So we should have show y'all what we getting done. And, you know, stay tuned. If you new to the channel, you know what I need you to do. Like, comment, and most definitely subscribe. And hit that notification bar so you can get all my videos that will bring you the hottest hood vlogs, car shows, car vlogs, everything. You know what I'm saying? This is just not no one thing channel. I'm bringing it all to you. You know, restaurants, everything. People with their own clothing lines, everything. But this one, we just doing a little mod to the 300. If you ain't watched my other video, go watch it. We picked up something to bring to the channel, one of the whips, so we just go do a little something today. Got my boy finna put this wing on, you know what I mean? Caught the little carbon fiber wing. And if you've seen some other stuff I did to it, but we got some more stuff to do to it as far as engine mods, more mods to the body. We go rim them up. I ain't for sure I'm gonna get the rims right away, cause you know it's raining out here in the Bay Area right now. It's looking ugly. Well, right now it's not, but we've been getting a lot of rain. You know what I'm saying? They say we need it. It's been a drought out here, so hey, it is what it is. So you know, when the man get done putting it on, because he got to drill holes and stuff, I ain't got the tools for that, so I'm gonna let them handle it, the professionals, and we're gonna show you what it look like when he done. Alright? Alright, y'all, we back at y'all with another video. You see we got the 300 out here. We're about to add another mod on here. We're about to put the wing on here. Gotta get it drilled. Carbon fiber wing. Put it on here. Came over here. Let my amigos put it on. So we gonna put this on. See what it look like. Came over here. Let's see what it look like in a minute. It's kind of dirty, so don't trip. There's another mod I did. Put the grill on there. And then I'm trying to think, do I want to go carbon fiber here over all the chrome and then go carbon fiber and then match with the wing. And then I think we might do a hood where we gonna change this hood too. We gonna be like a Hellcat hood, SRT hood, whatever, with the scoop. And I'm not sure if I want to carbon fiber that also. So chat, I'm a fan bam. Y'all tell me, man, do y'all want me to should I carbon fiber all the chrome so it can match with the wing, or what should I do? Give me a chat and let me know. Then also I think I want to change the steering wheel, because mine didn't come with the, you know, the paddle shifters. So I think the next thing we gonna do after this, put the wing on, we gonna go ahead and then we gonna go ahead and get the piping done on there. You know, get the mufflers taken out of the resonator so it get a little warm. Then after that, I think I'm gonna order the TAS or the TAS or however you say that, so you can get the SRT functions and everything. So either I'm gonna get the pipes done first, take out the resonator. My bad, y'all. I dropped the damn thing. These damn things be breaking off here. But yeah, either I'm gonna get the straight piping, or I'm gonna get the resonator done on it. So you feel me? I'll let y'all know. Y'all stay tuned, and y'all know what I need y'all to do. Like, comment, subscribe to So Bayish. And oh yeah, y'all see what I'm rocking, man. Y'all know what this is. Niner gang, bang, bang, baby. We finna go all the way. Mark my words. If we don't, y'all could talk so much mess in the comments and everything else. But I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to, yeah, subscribe. So Bayish, man. Share, show some love. I show love back, comment. I reply when I can. And yeah, we're gonna bring you some more with 300 as we get some more mods done. Get some mods done to the engine and some more things. But keep posted. And we're gonna be back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we're gonna put this on there. up in there. See what it look like when it's done. Alright, y'all, took them a little minute, but they got it on there, so it's dark outside now. But we're gonna show y'all a little bit of it, and then we're gonna give y'all another look at it in the morning, or you know, with some light out. This is how it's looking. Got the carbon fiber. Silver got a little pearl in it also. It's dirty right now. Like I said, it's been raining. And it scratched the nigga shit up, man. Fuck. Yeah, this how it looks, y'all. The wing on there. Have to wash this thing. Yeah, scratch nigga shit, man. Fuck. Let me go scratch this with a little something. Take it off. Yeah, y'all. It's another mod we did. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is that's a scratch for sure. That's in there. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is probably go do the piping. Straight pipes, take off the resonator, and when I do that, we'll bring you another video. We mod this up and get it ready.